how to recover your Android data, which includes your videos, pictures, and all files. So if you want to recover your Android data, then just watch this video. You probably have a lot of important files stored on your device, like your photos, music, contacts, or even text message. Over time, you might have accidentally deleted some files that you didn't want to lose. In today's Android data recovery video, I'm going to show you how you can recover them quickly and easily. So the tool we are using today is dback Android. Once you have installed, you need to open it and select recover phone data option. Now you need to connect your Android phone to your computer using a USB. Once that's done, you need to open up your dback Android. It will begin scanning your device and it will retrieve the lost data. So now select the files that you want to recover, and if you're unsure about which files that you need, you can leave all file types selected and click on recover. You'll start seeing that your deleted files appear on your screen. So that's how you can recover your Android data, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.